It is 1st July. You are a audit senior in Jones and Company and currently performing the final audit for the year ended 31st March. The company is manufacturer of and retailer of the shoes and boots. The current audit senior is ill and you have been asked you are an audit senior, okay? You are an audit senior and the current audit senior is ill. You have been asked to complete the audit of the payroll and the audit of which they are asking very clearly, payroll and revenue. Okay, there are two different things are there. Again, I will make it very clear. Okay, their payroll is there means in the questions you expect that there will be questions on payroll and there will be questions on revenue. Okay, you have to focus only on payroll and revenue. You determine the following information from the review, current year and prior year audit. How many employees are there? 500 employees. 10% of staff were redundant. Means that they will be there but they will not have any work. Effective immediately due to discontinuation. June 1st, all remaining staff receive 6%. That means all remaining staff is how much? All remaining staff is going to be 90%. Of course, over the course of the year, sales level met performance target, which resulted in a fixed bonus of 1,500 paid to the each employee. Is it paid to the each employee as on 35? Means over the course of the year, sales level has been met performance, which resulted in a fixed bonus of 1,500 to each employee. The following audit procedures included in the revenue section. Review the treatment of sample of post-year end returns. Review the treatment of a sample of post-year end returns. Select a sample of goods. This is with respect to what? This is with respect to the revenue. Is it? When you are talking about the returns, it is sales returns. Okay, it is sales returns. Select a sample of good dispatch and agree to invoice in a detailed sales listing. Means you are talking GDN. Okay, GDN, good dispatch notes, and what is the sales listing. Select a sample of invoices from the detailed sales listing and agree to the goods. Is that? See here what they say, goods dispatch note to the invoices. And here what's happening? They are talking about invoices. Is it right? Invoices to goods dispatch note. Select a sample of invoices and recalculate invoice account to the price list. Okay, they are in the audit plan. In the audit plan, they have included these audit procedures. Was it in the audit procedures? Now, are you clear about this? They have the payroll. This is with respect to what? This is with respect to the payroll. Okay, this is with respect to what? This is with respect to the revenue. There are two sections they have given separately. Okay, one is for the payroll and one is for the revenue. Now, you expect two questions from here, three questions from there. Okay, two questions. Anyway, it will be set. Now, what we have to do? Which of the following statement explain the cutoff to wages and salaries? They are asking which assertion? They are asking an assertion of cutoff. We have to focus on cutoff only. Tell me, take, understand and take. Cutoff means when you are talking about, see very, very close, very specifically. The moment you cut off means it is the date. You should not have any second thought. Okay? Now, The wages and salaries have been fairly allocated within the statement of profit and loss account. If it is there, which assertion is there? This assertion belongs to what?
Presentation.
Huh?
Presentation
Think.
or classification.
Classification. Is it? This is what? Class. You are classifying. Okay. Allocated within the statement of profit and loss account. Okay. Within the statement, whether it is a direct or, see, you know the things. Is it that wages and salaries fairly allocated? Wages will be, see, that this is what it says. Wages will be in the cost of sales. Salaries will be in the administration expenses. Understand what? This is where now you recover the things. Very simple. Wages will be in the cost of sales. Okay, these are direct expenses. Okay, wages is the direct, salaries are indirect. That is why we are talking about classification. Okay, that is why we are talking about classification. Are you clear about this? Next, wages and salaries appropriately calculated. Appropriately calculated, is it right? Into an account all relevant taxations and adjustments. It will be
Accuracy.
it will be accuracy. Wages, any doubt anywhere, stop me. Okay, I'm highlighting the things. I will give a justification what was the allocated, calculated. Automatically you can come to a conclusion. Wages and salaries which has been incurred during the period have been accounted for in all respects of all personnel employed by Walker and Company. Accounted, is it right? Have been incurred during the period, has been accounted in all respect for all employees, means
Occurrence and completeness.
only one.
Occurrence.
Completeness. Accounted for all. Okay, accounted for all personal employees. Completeness. Accounted for in respected. Is it for all? It means completed. Whatever has been incurred, you can put it like that also. I will slash it. Okay, it is what you have said. It is a occurrence. It is occurrence and completeness. Next, last one. Israel has been accounted for relate. See, they say cut off. Cut off means date. 100% it is date. There is no other option. Israel, they say year ended. If they say cut off with a year ended, what we have to do? It is a cut off. Are you clear about this? If you are doing one question, means you are doing you are understanding four concepts. Is that you are understanding? Allocation means classification. Calculation means accuracy. Accounted in respect of all personal employees means completeness and occurrence. If it is a date, it is going to be cut off. Is it? Next. Tell me. The following audit evidence has been gathered related to the accuracy of wages. Is it? Accuracy of wages. Now, the following audit has been gathered relating to accuracy of wages and salaries for work. Prove accuracy. What they are focusing? They are focusing on accuracy. Okay, they are focusing on accuracy. You have to see, this is where you have to immediately you have to highlight what they are asking. Proof in total calculation performed by the audit team member. Written representation, proof in total. See, all are audit evidence. Keep it in mind. All are audit evidence. Is it? All are related to audit evidence. Okay, what they are asking us? They are asking us what is the order of reliability? Is that what is the order of reliability? Which one is more reliable? Which one is less reliable? Okay, which one is most reliable? And which is the most reliable first? Which is the most reliable first? Okay, now what is the most reliable first?
Can I answer this, doctor?
Yes.
Let's go by the less reliable, which is verbal confirmation.
Okay, I will agree with you. Okay, less reliable. Okay, yeah, very good technique. Okay, very good technique. Verbal communication from the finance director.
So number 3 will be the last one.
Number 3 will be the last one. Okay. See, number 3 will be the last one. Okay, means you are going to work out in this way. Okay, number 3 is the last one. Automatically 1 and 2 is out. Automatically 1 and 2 is out. Okay, now it is another good technique. Okay, next. This is over. Okay, this is over. Next. Next. If the audit team is doing, okay, audit team is doing personally, that's more reliable. Okay, audit team is doing personally, more reliable.
Yes, because number 2 and 4 are client-generated evidence, so it will be less reliable.
Fine, it is. See there, yeah, it is. Why it is by? Yeah, it is done by whom? Internal audit team member. Okay, internal audit team member. Very good. Written representations by the director. It is also written. Is it right? Now here, done by whom? Done by the audit team member. Okay, he is doing personally. Is it right? He is doing personally. What is the most reliable? This is the most reliable. Is that this is the most reliable? Okay, 1. Okay, 1. If you take 1, is it right? If you take 1, see the things. If you take 1, 4 is not reliable. Okay, internal audit. See, internal audit is client generated, as you said. Okay, client generated. Okay, only see, it is only a smartness. I am telling you very clearly. It is only a smartness. You have to be very cool. You have to understand. That's all. Okay. Now, alhamdulillah, you have all the knowledge. Only you have to be very smart. Okay. Now, is that proof in total by the audit member? Then, what will happen? Who is the most reliable? Is that most reliable? Then the internal auditor. Then the directors. Okay. Directors comes after internal audit. Okay. Internal audit is professional. Is that? Now, what is the proof in total? Proof in total means what? It comes to how much? 1. You see what is the fourth? Fourth is the internal auditor. Okay? This is 1. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. And this is 4. I will put it like this. We should not get confused. 1 second. We should not be very clear. We should not. Is it right? What is the most reliable? Most reliable. 1, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 2 and 3. Are you clear about this?
Yes, doctor.
Okay. 1, 4, 2 and 3. Okay. Now. Next. The prior year financial statements included 17 million for wages and salaries. Okay, wages and salaries. How much is they? They have included 17 million. Okay, now. What would be the estimate current year wages and salaries expenses, ignoring redundancy cost, based on the data gathered from the review of the audit files? How much they say? They say that. Is it right? How much they are going to say that? It will be increased. Okay, how much is increased? Okay, now. Little bit more calculative one. Okay, little bit more calculate. Can you just think over it? I will explain you. Here it is how much? 10% staff. Okay, 10% staff. Here remaining. Here how much? Remaining. Remaining how much? Remaining 90% staff. Is right? Here remaining 90% staff. Here it is almost 2 months are over. Is right? It is 2 months. Is it right? Here how much? It is only 10 months. Are you clear about this? That is the reason I put a draw a line. Again, I will explain you. First statement, 31st March. How many employees are there? 500 employees. Okay, 500 employees are there. Okay, on 1st April, okay, 1st April, 10% of the staff were made redundant effectively immediately due to discontinuation of the product line. Okay, fine. 10% has been redundant. On June 1st, all remaining staff received. When they have received 6% hike. Okay, they have received 6. When they have received? June 1st. Of course, over the course of the year, sales level performance targets results in the fixed bonus of how much? 1,500 for each of the employees. Okay, for each of the employees. Dates are very important. Little bit calculation. Okay, now what they are asking? They are asking what will be the current year wages and salaries. Ignore. We should not take redundancy cost based on the data gathered from the review of the audit files. We should not take the data. Now, how much is there? How much last year expenses are how much? Any idea about last year? How can we get last year expenses? One second. 500. Uh, One second. Huh. Here it has been given now. We have not. The prior year financial statements. Okay. The prior year, we have not read this. The prior year financial statements, including how much? 17 million for wages and salaries. Last year, how much? Is that last year? How much is there? Here I am writing. Is that last year? Prior year is how much? Prior year is 17 million. Okay. Prior year is 17 million. Now, okay, prior year is 17 million. How many people have been reduced? Reduced how much? 10% has been reduced. Okay, 10% has been reduced. Is that means, is that existing? Okay, existing. Okay, existing. Okay, existing employees. Okay, existing employees. Okay, 90%. Okay, 90%. 90% means for that, see, you should not, this calculation you should not show in the your exam. Okay, you have to do on your paper or separately. How much is there? You are accounted only for 90%. How much it will come? How much it will come?
15.3.
15.3. Okay, 15.3. Okay, 15.3. Any doubt you ask me, I'm here to let you know. Okay, now 15.3. 15.3 you have to divide. Okay, 15.3. Is that now 10%? 10 is that when they are going to increase this? When they are going to increase this, they are going to increase this when they are going to increase in when increase in on first when it is there. Tell me, let me know. When they are going to increase this, they are going to increase this on June 1st. Okay, they are increasing on when? June 1st. Okay, June 1st. Okay. Now, June 1st means how many days are they? I will put it another way. Okay, again I will put in here. Okay, this is with respect to 1st April. This is with respect to 1st June. Okay, this is with respect to 31st March 2005. Is it? This is 2004. Is it 2 months there is no increase? Okay, and after that how many months increase? 10 months. Okay, 10 months. Means you have to separately make it a point. Okay, 2 months we should not do and separately. Is that? Now with yes, tell me. Okay, first 2 months. Okay, first 2 months. Okay, first 2 months. How much is there? 15.3 million times how much is there? 2 by 12. It comes to how much? 15.3 times 2 divided by 12. It comes to how much? Keep calculator ready with you.
2.55.
2.55. Okay, 2.55. Okay, simple mathematics. Now 15.3 times 10 by 12. Okay, 10 by 12 times. What you have? Can I put 1.06 like this? Is it okay with you?
Yeah.
Okay, 1.06. 6% increase. Is that 6% increase? Is there any doubt? Is there? Ask me. 15.2 times 10 divided by 12 times 1.06. It comes to how much?
Uh, 13.515, yes.
Okay, now how much is there? 16.065. Okay, now what they are saying? They are saying that what would be the estimated current year wages and salaries ignoring redundant costs based on the data gathered about. Anything we have to add to this? 16.605 is there.
Bonus, I think we should.
How much is the bonus?
I think it's
Bonus is how much? 1500. Okay, 1500. 1500 into how many, to how many employees we have to give?
500.
Why?
Okay, so 500, 90% of them, right?
Huh.
450.
500 times 90%. How much it will come? I'm writing 1500 times 450. It comes to how much?
675.
0.675 million. Okay? 0.675 million. 16.014170. Is it there?
Yes.
Is it there? Again, I'm telling to all of you, slowly you have to simple mathematics. It is not any advanced calculations. Only thing is you have to take the things into consideration and you have to work it out. Are you clear about this? What is the answer? Is it okay with you? Take your time, understand. The time is all yours. Any doubt, ask me. Timeline is important. This is for 12 months and this is for 10 months. Is it clear to you?
Yes, doctor.
Next. What about others?
Yes.
Okay, now select which two of the following are now substantive analytical procedures. Two. Okay, two. You can do this. Bhutena, you tell me the answer for this. For wages, which two are the analytical procedures? Analytical procedures means you are making a comparison. Okay, you are making a comparison. Whenever you talk about analytical procedure, comparison with prior years or comparison with other similar amount, other similar variable. That's all. Okay, other similar variable. Now, which one is the trace and agree the total wages and salaries, expenses per the payroll system to the draft financial statement. It is analytical procedure.
No.
Yes, it's analytical procedure.
It is analytical procedure.
No, substantive procedure.
Is that trace and agree? Okay, trace and agree. It is specific. Is it right? It is very, very specific. If anything is very, very specific, trace and agree. We are not comparing with others. Trace and agree whatever the total wages and salaries expenses as per the payroll system to the financial statements. We are agreeing, we are not comparing, we are agreeing what is in the payroll register and what is in the financial statements. Is it right? It is not an analytical procedure. It is what? It is a substantial procedure. This is
Second one also substantive procedure.
recalculate.
The first one is analytical.
That's why. Compare current year with prior year. Okay, is there any differences? This is analytical. Is that? This is a perform, proof in total, compare expected expense with actual expense with similar variable within the way. This is the analytical procedures. Okay, and now you have to see when you put the both the answers are right. So many times, so many students will ask me whether if we do one option correct, they will give no. We have to do both the options correct. You have to now you understand what is the analytical procedure. Substantive procedure is specific, whereas analytical recalculate is that what we are doing. We are doing recalculation. Okay, when you are doing I have not mentioned this. Recalculate the gross and net pay for employees. Agree to the payroll records. This is what for what purpose it is going to be done.
Accuracy.
This is going to be done for accuracy. For everything, that is the reason. For every option, we should know what is the correct, what the option talks about. That's very important. Okay, what is the option talks about that, so that we are learning 4 things from one. Now, in respect of revenue procedures, including in the audit plan, select the assertion being tested. Is it right? Select the assertion being tested. What they have said, they have given you here. Is that? They have given you here. Is that? Now, what are the things which will be there? Tell me. The first one, this we have to do, revenue. This is the audit procedures. Okay, this is the audit procedures. Okay, now, for what purpose we are doing this?
Classification.
Review the treatment of sample of post-year end returns. Review the things. This is what we are talking about. This is what we are talking about. Review the treatment of a sample of post-year end returns, whether it is accuracy, completeness, or occurrence.
Occurrence.
Is it? Review the treatment of the sample of post-year end. Review the samples. Is it right? We are not, accuracy is, we are calculating. Completeness is, we are going to say, in terms of its, whether it is, everything is done or not. Occurrence, review after what they are saying, again I am telling you. They say post-year end returns. Okay, when they are talking in terms, most important thing is post-year end returns. When they have occurred before the year or they have occurred after the year. Is it? They have occurred before the year or they have occurred after the year. What is the answer for this?
First one is occurrence.
First one is occurrence. Second one, Shaja. What they say, you are select a sample of goods dispatch note and agree to the invoice of detailed sales listing. Select a sample of goods GDN and agree to the detailed sales listing, whether it is accuracy, completeness, or occurrence. Tell me. Point number 2. Anyone? Most important word, agree. Agree to the detailed sales listing. Agree to the detailed sales listing. When you are detailed means what? Occurrence, completeness or accuracy?
Completeness.
Completeness. Okay, words are important. That's the only thing is what we are just understanding the words. That's the only thing. Okay, here we are talking in terms of what? Here we are talking about the completeness. I will give you where we have to focus. By experience, by practice, we will understand this. Select a sample of invoices from the detailed sales listing, okay, and agree to the goods dispatch note. Detailed sales listing and agree back. We are coming back. Is that agree samples? Agree to the sample of invoices. You have the invoices with you. You have the invoices in your hands, okay, from the detailed sales text, and you are going back. You are going back to the dispatch note. You are going back to the dispatch note. What we are going to say, whether it is accuracy. Accuracy is not there actually. Is that we are not talking about any calculations. Accuracy is not there. Is that select a sample of detailed sales text and agree back to the good dispatch note. What is that? It is a completeness or it is a occurrence?
Occurrence.
Okay? It is a occurrence. Next, I will come back. Select a sample of invoice and recalculate. The moment you say recalculate, what will come to your mind?
Accurate.
Accuracy. Is that words are very important. That is the only technique. Is that only you should be very clear which word is going to be making which difference as such. Are you clear about this?
Yes.
Okay, now 136. Okay, 136. I don't know exactly what is 136 also. Just I will make it a random. I will while work on that. Okay, now fine, it is there. 136 to 140. Okay, now what is there? See the thing. Read the scenario first. I will give you 2 minutes time. Read closely. Now, what they are saying, you are an audit senior and you are currently performing final audit. See, the first paragraph, read once, only once. Okay, we know. First, why it is important is know your entity, control environment. Okay, know your entity. Auditor has to know what is your position, and what is the company. That's the reason we have to see. You are an audit senior in Cock and Comp and currently performing the final audit for the year ended. The company is manufacturer of environmental friendly packaging. You have performed the audit of equity shares, share capital and reserves. No misstatements has been identified. An extract from the draft financial statements given below is that ordinary share capital, retained earnings and they gave you the notes. Okay, these notes are related to this. Okay, these notes are related to these points. Okay, a 1-for-2 bonus issue. They are given a bonus issue. Means bonus issue is not any, you are not getting any, there is no cash exchange. Okay, no cash transfer. Okay, no transfer took place on when? October 1st. Dates are very important. Okay, dates are, the moment you will put it a timeline. Put it on a timeline. This is 31st May. Okay, 31st year ended 31st May 2015. When they have happened, it has happened on 1st October. Okay, 2004. A 1-for-3 rights took place. Means if you are having 3 shares, they will give you 1 share. Okay. Bamboo, this is related to first one. Okay, 1-for-3 rights. How much is the 2004, 2005? Bamboo adopts a policy of revaluation of properties. They want to have the revaluation, and revaluation of all bamboo properties were performed by an independent expert, on 20th May, resulting in a surplus of how much? 10 million. In a surplus of how much? 10. This is why it has been, how much it has been increased? It has been increased by 10 million. Okay, it has been increased by 10 million. Okay, now, what they are saying is that, which of the is the most reliable evidence? Okay, see the thing, audit evidence, very, very important. We don't know, we have jumped from 101 to 136. Randomly we have jumped. Again there is a audit evidence. Most, internally less, externally more, oral less, and return more. Okay, now which of the most reliable in respect of the bonus shares? Bonus shares is only an exchange. If you are having 3 shares, is that if they will give 1 share. No cash transfer. Which is where we can rely on that. Bank statement. Can we rely on bank statements? No, because there is no cash transfer. Is that there is no cash transfer. Okay, from either side. Shares register. Is that maintained by whom? Maintained by client. Is that maintained by what? Company's house information. It is regulator. Is a regulator. Okay, stock exchange. Okay, like that. Is a regulator, like a stock exchange. External information is a stock exchange. Is it right? It is a legal. Is it right? It is a legal. Okay, it is legal. It is authorized. Okay, it is authorized. Notes of the discussion. It is a financial statements. It is the financial statements. It is internally. Now you tell me.
C.
Is it? Now you tell me. Is a regulator. It is external. Okay, it is external. Again I am saying, it is a bank statement, no cash transfer. There is no evidence. There is nothing will be shown in the bank accounts. Okay. The share register internally maintained by the client internally. Company's house information. Company house means the stock exchange. You can register, stock exchange, legal, authorized, external. I'm giving all the options. Okay, I'm giving all the options. Okay, next. What is the last one? The last one is the notes of the discussion. It is internally. Answer is answer is
C.
next. A dividend, okay, a dividend of 4 million was approved and paid 2004 in respect of the year. See the thing. Again, I will put the timeline. Okay, is that approved and paid for the year ended? 2004 was approved and paid in respect for the year ended 2004. Is it? This is 31st May 2004. Okay. They have paid when they have paid on 30th September. Okay. 30th September 2004. A dividend of 4 million was approved and paid. Is it? A dividend of 6 million has been proposed. This is only proposed in respect of the year 31st. Is right? They have this, they have paid. Okay, this they have paid. How much? 4 million. Okay, they have proposed how much? They have proposed. Okay, they have proposed for next year. How much? 6 million. Okay, the proposed dividend is expected to be approved by the shareholders when on August 2015. Okay, they will approve somewhere next year. How should each of the dividends be reflected in financial statements? This has been paid. It has been paid. This has been proposed. What they are asking is whether we should recognize the 4 million. This has been paid. When you paid, what will happen? When you pay, your retained earnings, okay, retained earnings will decrease. Right? It is the current year. You are proposing. If you are proposing, it is only a proposal. Right? It is only a proposal. Whenever there is a proposal, okay, whenever there is a proposal, where is that? The proposed dividend. Is that the proposed dividend? Where you have to do, you have to disclose in the notes You cannot say that it is the same. Equity will never be same as total asset. Equity should be equity plus liabilities will be same as total assets. Understand? Equity plus liabilities total assets. This is the reason that why see that's what it says now. Financial reporting. If you have accounting has to be very very strong. Okay. Now the auditor will rely mainly on substantive procedures when auditing equity. Is it true? Then the auditor rely mainly on substantive. You have so many procedures. You cannot say only substantive analytics. Actually, substantive and analytics, substantive procedures are different. Analytical procedures are different. Okay. Now, movements in of equity must be shown in the changes in statement of equity. Yes or true or false? Let me see again. I'm telling you this. Okay. Again, I'm telling you. I'm little bit related. I know because in the financial statement, what we have somewhere I will tell you. That in the financial statement, I will take this and I will put here. Okay. In the financial statement, in between statement of profit and loss account, what you will have? You will have statement of changes in equity. Then you will have what statement of changes? Statement of changes in equity. In the statement of changes in equity, we know everything. In the statement of changes in equity, any movements are there, any plus or minus. What are the things I will tell you after that also? What will be there? You will have the opening balance, you will have any plus or minus, you will have the closing balance. What is the opening balance? You will have opening balance for equity. You will have opening balance for retained earnings. Okay, you will have opening balance for retained earnings. You have opening balance for reserves. Okay, you have opening balance for reserves. Okay, likewise, you will have wherever is there. the fund.